Hello, my lovely sweat hearts. Welcome to the tutorial for Cut to the Feeling by Carly Rae Jepsen. This is going to be a cool down stretch song, and I'm going to show all the stretches facing you, and I'll show the chorus facing you and towards the mirror. So just the stretch and starts. We have a nice inhale, arms come up. As always, we exhale, we push that air down. We're going to do shoulders rolling back. We're going to roll it back with the elbows. Oh, open up the sternum there, and then nice and slow, full arm motion. Then we're going to round the back, we're going to push here, rounding the back here, head drops, arms come up overhead, and we open, we're going to take a nice stretch over to the right hand side, stretch right, oh, feel the side, open, stretch left, oh, in here, and we're going to walk the feet in, and we're going to have a big inhale, all the way around, and then it starts the chorus. Moving on to the next stretch. We open up nice and wide, we're going to drop it over to the right side. So you can slide that foot out a little bit here. Right away, we're going to turn towards the right lunge. We're going to open up the right arm, look up to the ceiling, and drop it. Walk the hands over, protect yourself. Over here to the left side, left lunge, long back leg. Reach the left arm up, look up to the fingers, energy out. And drop it open. This time both knees come out, knees are over the toes. We're going to push on those legs gently, get a nice stretch in the inner thigh. And then we're going to drop our shoulder and our shoulder. And we're going to roll up, walk those feet in. One more time, big inhale. All the way around, and it's going to start our chorus. One more stretch. We're going to grab that right foot. We're going to hold the toe there. We're going to feel a nice stretch here. Make sure those hips are forward. Make sure you're not pulling too hard the knee, and you don't want the leg to come out here. You want to come right behind you. Chest up, shoulders drop, chin is nice and focused here. Arm comes up overhead, open a second, watch that shoulder, open, drop it down, release the foot, plie, find your balance now on your right foot, grab your left leg, left arm comes up over, open a second, and down, and release. One more time, inhale, all the way around to begin the chorus. All right, time for the chorus. It's kind of tricky. There's two parts. We go forward, we dance all chorus, and we go back and dance all chorus. So after each stretch, we have this big inhale all the way around, and it comes out, and we're going to jump out. Out, arms come out, and we're going to cross the left foot in front of the right, cross, and then we're going to turn to the front. So, facing the front, we go around here, we jump out, right foot over left, and turn to the front. Now, if that jump is hard for you to do, you could jump in, cross, and turn as well. So it's pa, ta, turn to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we jump 5, 6, 7, 8. Side to side, and the hands are just going to push out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Those two facing the front. You go. Inhale, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Then we have these two kick, ball change. Turn the right foot, we go 1 and 2 left, 3 and 4. Then we rock 5 right, 6 back on the left, and we run 7 and 8 and to the front. 7 and 8 and. Good. Facing the front. We kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rock 5, rock 6, 7 and 8 and. Good, we just ran up 7 and 8 and. We're going to cut to the feeling. We go slice, down, arms, and down. With the feet. Step, touch, turn, together, drop. Other side, left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To jump the chorus again. This time we're going to run it back. So we are up to the front. We jump 1, 2, 3, 4. The difference is instead of the kick front, we're going to do a little Roger Rabbit. 5, 6, 7, 8, and we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Back, front, back, 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 back. Again, cut, turn, and cut, turn, and next strut section. Let's see that facing front, nice and slow. I'm going to do front, chorus, back, chorus. So we just came around, after every stretch section, we come around, arms up, we jump out nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jumps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kickball change. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock. 5, back 6. Run 7 and 8 and cut. 1, 2, 3. Turn 5, 6. Arms again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the top now, go back. 1, 2, turn, 4, jump, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roger Rabbit, right foot. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. We have to rock 5, 6, go back this time. 5, front 6, running back. 7 and 8 and again cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the tricky part of this whole dance is that kickball change and the Roger Rabbit. So when we get, once again, nice and slow, we go forward. We go kick and change, front, back, running front and. When we go back, we do Roger Rabbit, back, front, run, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'll show those facing the side. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. And when we go back, we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. All right, time for the whole chorus up to tempo facing the front. After each stretch, inhale all the way around, get ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, run and 8 and slice. 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8, slice. 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, again. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Roger Rabbit. 1, 2, 3 and 4, back, front, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, turn, pa, 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 pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, as the song gets building, it's really fun. You can add a little bit on the slice. Jump, ta, ta, turn, ta, 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 turn. Dancer's choice there. All right, that's all the choreography for our stretch song. Let's dance it.